Hi there, thank you for joining Simply Beautiful Cakes with Marianne. Now today, it's all about the grease. I just want you to know that, it's all about the grease. We're going to make a professional bakery pan grease, and man, I tell you, it is a great recipe because when I started using it, I thought I had found heaven. So it works so simple, and you get it on your pans, and boy, I tell you, your cakes slip right out of the pan after they're baked. So I'm going to get started here. I'm going to use my handy dandy KitchenAid mixer. Now, you don't have to use a KitchenAid mixer if you don't want to. If you have a hand mixer, this type of recipe, you can use your hand mixer, kitchen mixer. I don't recommend using a whip or try to stir it by hand because we have to blend the shortening together. So the recipe calls for, get your pencil now, get ready. The recipe calls for 1 cup vegetable oil. Now that can be canola oil, that can be corn oil, that can be whatever liquid oil that you want to use. I always use the canola oil. 1 cup of solid vegetable shortening. You can use Crisco. I use a hydrogenated vegetable shortening. It is not Crisco, it's a high grade for bakery use. And later in another video, I'll probably show it to you, but it's called Sweet Tex, and it's a high grade vegetable oil or vegetable shortening. And then you want to do 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Does not need to be sifted or anything. You're just going to do 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm looking at my recipe right here. And so we're going to go ahead and get started making it. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the shortening in first. And I have it all counted out here. And I'm going to just go ahead and just put this in my bowl. And this is an older KitchenAid mixer, so the head doesn't lift up on it. But I know a lot of KitchenAid mixers nowadays, the heads do lift up, and that's really a great, I like that. You can always lift your head up on it, and you can look to see what's going on a little bit easier. This was one of the older models, actually. And